All right, so I'm going to mix up 3 glazes tonight, and then I'm going to glaze one of my concave tableaus, uh, initial glazing. So with every glaze I make, I always start with, obviously I need uh, one of my plastic containers and water. Usually I use anywhere between 60 to 80 milliliters of water per 100 grams of dry ingredients. These are very nice little pallets that I measure my dry ingredients into. They're reusable plastic. They clean up really well with water, and then they also are easy to kind of squish, so they can funnel the ingredients into the container when I'm done measuring it and putting it into the container of water. So I keep all my glaze recipes on my iPad, and you can see I just opened, so the glaze recipe is on the right, the white, and then on the left side I just opened a calculator because I'm mixing 400 grams of dry, but the recipe that I had in for this glaze was a 100-gram batch. So I'm using the calculator to figure out how many grams of each ingredient I need based on a multiplication of 4. Okay, so this mixer is I mean, not a big industrial one, but it's more of a commercial lab mixer that I use to mix my glazes. It's got a variable speed on it. It's really nice. It's, you know, I can set it up and let glazes mix for several minutes effortlessly. I don't have to sit and use an immersion blender or something like that. This recipe is kind of low on clay, and the clay helps keep all the particles suspended, so I added 2% bentonite as a way of trying to help create suspension with the ingredients. was not as fluid as I wanted, so I bumped it up another 20 milliliters of water for the So for the sake of the chunky frit, I could kind of see chunks in there, so I'm running it through a 80 mesh sieve.
Scheiße!